Today, I present to you 3 LEGO Technic engines. They all contain batteries and motor to operate them. They are truly magnificent. We start the presentation directly with the RB30 Turbo. It is an inline 6-cylinder. It contains 2,000 pieces, weighs 1.8 kilos, and currently costs 166 $160. Right next to it, I present to you the V8 Supercharger. It has 4 cylinders on each side. It contains 2,106 parts and weighs 1.8 kilos, and currently costs $210. Now I present to you the V12. It has 6 cylinders on each side. It contains 3,700 parts and weighs 2.7 kilo, and currently costs €303.